Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use GGives on TikTok Shop. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your TikTok app and then navigate to your TikTok Shop feature. Here, we're going to try to check out something. I'm going to go ahead and proceed for an example product, and then we're just going to scroll down to the bottom and use Gcash. Now click Place Order, and then we're going to try logging in with our account. Now, the moment you are here, you can just basically select GGives. This is, of course, provided you have already activated your GGives. In my case, I have not activated my GGives. That is why I can't select it right now. But in your case, if you have, then you can just select that one. And then you can just click the Pay button down below. So that's basically how you can use GGives on TikTok Shop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.